Welcome friends. So in this video I will tell you how to generate random numbers, different type of random numbers with the use of Minitab. So in the Minitab we have options like calculate and statistics, graph and many sections. And so in that calculate there is an option of random number. So when you drop your cursor here, so it will show you many distributions you have already learned in many subjects like mathematics and quality engineering also. So in that we generally use normal distribution in most of the production systems and in lean six sigma and quality engineering also. So here I will show you how to generate random numbers which will follow the normal distributions. So basically friends, let me remember you one thing that most of the production systems, as I said earlier, that normal they are following normal distribution. And normal distribution is defined by two parameters. The first thing is the mean of the data set and the standard deviations. Mean for the central tendency and for the spread we define standard deviation. So when I click on the normal, mm, so a new dialog box comes like that. First it will ask me number of rows of data to generate. So how many data we require? So let us say 100 data I required. So I write 100 here. Then it asks me store in columns. So I select column 1. So in the many type you see the columns are named as C1, C2, C3, C4 and rows are named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So then it asks me the mean or the desired mean of the data set which is to be generated. So I let us say 15, and then it asks me the standard deviation. So let's remain same 1. So it will generate a random numbers which is in the mean almost 15 and the standard deviation almost 1. Right. So I'm clicking on OK button. So data will be generated in this column 1. Okay, so here is my data. So if you see that all the points in the data are near 15. Some are above the 15 and some are below the 15, but all are nearly 15. So similarly we can generate some more random numbers, like random number for different distributions, let us say uniform distributions. So again I am generating 100 data and I am storing it into C2 column. And uniform distribution defined by lower endpoint and upper endpoint. So we have to give the upper endpoint, let us say 15.5, and the lower point, sorry, the lower point is 14.5, and let us say upper point 15.5. So this data is generated, and this is for the uniform distribution. So this is all about how to generate random numbers. You can also generate random numbers for other distributions, but in lean six sigma we follow the normal distribution only. Okay, so thank you.